Hi guys, this is the first lecture for the FNB financial model, and in this video we are going to discuss about the financial model for the food and beverages sector. So this is the financial model for the one of the FNB companies, so that are selling the protein bars, and apart from that, whey protein supplements. So let me take down that and how this will work. So this is the cover page for the project. So it's a project name is Project Dada, and this is the index sheet for the particular summary. It's a valuation summary, executive summary, financial statement and informations, and apart from that, ratios and income approach and marketing approach are there. Then we have the figures for the particular valuation parameter. So it's a date of valuation. It's a 1 Feb and 22 is a date of valuation. Then is a figure in the INR lakhs, and this is the oldest audited financial available. So it's 1st April 2020, and the latest audited financial available. It's 31st December 2021. So it's the beginning period of the projections and ending period of projections, projected number of years, and the projected number of months, and the forecast for periodicity and the applicable corporate tax. Let me take to the valuation summary of this model. So this is the last part. Then we go to the revenue sheet. Let's say there's a different type of revenue for the particular company, and we are going to find out like how these revenues and channel wise partners will work. So this company has the different sales platforms, and apart from that, company is selling the company is selling the product at the different business models and the different selling platforms, etc., whether online or offline. And these are the different things are there. Let's say it's a brand wise total GMV revenue, and it's a brand wise total gross revenues are there. Then we have the another products is a PN Fit and PN Essentials, Good Life Nutrition, Ketogen, Original Skills. So these are the products, and these are the channel wise total GMV. Is Amazon, Flipkart, Healthcart, Netmate, Snapdeal, D2C offline, and D2C offline and online. All the platforms are there. Then we have the channel wise total revenue. It's a Amazon, Flipkart, and healthcare, etc. So this is the total revenue for the channel wise. It's a product wise. Let's say we are selling the products on a different basis, and this T2C online category is one of the biggest product in this category. Then we have the brand wise the order value, PN Fit, GLD, and Goodwill, and these are total marketing spend. Is the ad spend ratio, ad spend per impression, and total impressions are there. Then the PN Fit Essentials ad spend there. It's ad spends, impressions, click conversion, number of clicks, and the conversion rates, etc. Then PN Fit offline sales. It's a GNB commissions, discount, RTO, and gross revenue, etc. Then we have the another different model. It's a Good Life Nutrition total. It's a total GMV and the total gross revenue, number of the SKUs, and Ketogen is the total ad spends, impressions, etc. So this is the revenue sheet for the particular area. And if you go into the revenue parameters for the this company, so it is a IS driver. So we can say that it's a revenue driver for the particular company. So it's a revenue from operations, and we take this is a link from the this one revenue from the operations. What is the revenue from the PN Fit Essentials year on year, April 22, April 22, different, it's around like March 25. So it's a 5 years projections. Then we have the different products revenue, PN Fit Essential, Good Life Nutrition, Ketogen, and apart from that, the original skills is the other project, and other incomes are also there. So these are linked to the number of the sales numbers are there. Then we have the expenses sheet. It's Cokes one. It's a 2.68 is the Cokes, and the different coming from the Cokes is the purchases plus change in inventory plus fares and imports. Then we come into the salaries and wages, and incentives are there. Sales and marketing expense and indirect cost is also there. And logistic cost is also there. So this is the another different cost. Let me go through that. It's a Cokes one. This is the Cokes coming from here. Then if you go to salary incentives, so this is coming from the founder salary and the different persons. Then we go to the the sales and marketing expense. So these are coming from the marketing expenses. What are the expenses they are doing? Advertisement and another services for to get the product into the market. And then we have the indirect cost for the particular company. Let's say what is the indirect cost and how this will incur on the basis of commission and different things. That's related to the office expense, designing cost, and the friendly orders, or we can say that the orders on the basis of the different parameters, development cost, promotion expense, legal and professional fees, agency charges. If you are working with the marketing agency, so this is one. It's a research related expense, and the other expenses are also there. Then we have the logistic cost. It's from moving the material from the warehouse to the end consumer. So it's a logistic cost, a truck cost, we can say that. Then there's a different adjustment. So it's a non-recurring revenue, non-recurring expenses, other operational expenses are there. So these are the revenue sheet for the for FNB financial model. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the another tabs for this particular financial model. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel and hit the like button. We will meet in the next video.